Title: The Sound of Time. Time doesn't shout. It whispers. It lives in the quiet spaces between heartbeats. In the breath you didn't notice you were holding. In the shadow that moves just a little farther across the floor. We don't see time. We feel it. A child feels it as endless. An open road with no destination. Summer lasts forever. Days stretch wide like the sky. But one day, the sky begins to shrink. Moments start slipping through your fingers. Like sand you didn't know you were holding. And suddenly, time has a sound. Tick. A deadline. Tock. A birthday. Tick. A goodbye you weren't ready for. Time becomes a presence. Not a clock on the wall, but a weight in the chest. You feel it when you scroll past old photos. Faces frozen in moments that will never happen again. You feel it when you hear a song, and the past rushes back like a wave. Time doesn't move forward. We do. We walk through it, leaving footprints that fade the moment we step away. And yet, we spend most of our lives running from it, chasing the future, escaping the present, replaying the past. But awareness of time isn't about counting seconds. It's about feeling them. It's the difference between living a moment and noticing it. The way sunlight hits your face for just one breath. The silence before someone answers, "I love you." The last look you didn't know was the last. Time is not cruel. It is honest. It reminds us that everything is temporary, and therefore, everything is precious. Because what would love mean if it lasted forever? What would beauty be if it never faded? What would life feel like if it had no edge? Time gives meaning to moments by limiting them. It turns ordinary seconds into memories. It turns today into history. And the strange thing is, the more aware you become of time, the slower it feels. Not because the clock changes, but because you do. You stop rushing through conversations. You start listening. You stop chasing outcomes. You start noticing existence. You realize that now is not a stepping stone to somewhere else. Now is the destination. Because the future is imagination. The past is memory. That the present is alive. Right here. Right now. Time is not something you lose. It's something you experience. Every laugh. Every tear. Every breath. You don't own time, you move with it. Like a river that never stops flowing, but still reflects the sky. And one day, when the ticking fades into silence, what will remain won't be the hours you counted. It will be the moments you truly lived. So listen closely. Not to the clock, but to the rhythm of your own existence. Because time isn't passing you by. It's carrying you forward.